joined by Chief Executive Mark Kilday. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm great. I'm really enjoying being in Dubai. It's the first time I've been here, but not the first time that Howard Walden and the Harley Street Medical Area has been here, so it's fantastic.
So it's day one. What have you done so far?
Mostly been on this stand and walked around and been amazed by what I've seen. It's just an enormous trade exhibition that really, you can't explain it to someone unless you're really here of how insanely busy it is.
So tell us what you've brought to Arab Health 2023.
So we are, the Howard Walden estate is a property landlord ultimately, but what we have is one of the largest independent clusters of healthcare that you find in Europe. So what we do is facilitate and coordinate that those providers come to Arab Health, so they all come under a collective banner as part of Harley Street Medical Area, showcasing what London has and what Harley Street has, and really giving them the opportunity to collaborate, network, meet people, and they do attract business from the Middle East too.
Can you give us an example of a positive impact your services have provided?
Okay, so 10 years ago, 15 years ago, the Howard Walden estate specifically set up more of a target to try and attract the best healthcare providers in the world to come to Harley Street. And in that period, we've been joined by clinics like the Cleveland Clinic, the Mayo Clinic, who you will probably have heard of, and the Sean Clinic, amongst others. There's others that I could mention, but that just shows you this sort of endeavour of trying to make the area something special, to be known as the place to come for world-class healthcare.
And what is the trajectory for the next year and the next 5?
Well, I mean, it's more of the same, but also healthcare is changing. You know, it's changing very rapidly before COVID, even more so afterwards. And really what we're trying to do is to make sure we understand what those changes are. What does the future delivery of healthcare look like in Harley Street, in central London? And to make sure that as a property owner, we respond to that, to make sure it's relevant and it continues to be successful.
And if someone were getting into the health industry now, what would you say to them?
I would say to them, they need to network, collaborate as much as they can, be aware of technology. I mean, it's all very well understanding the medicine that you get taught at school, at med school, but actually there's technologies impacting the sector hugely. And you can see that, the impact of that at this conference here, where there's so much technology on view.
And what are you most looking forward to at Arab Health?
I'm really just looking forward to meeting as many people as I can to find out whether we can connect with them and bring them to Harley Street and bring them to the Harley Street Medical Area.
Brilliant, thank you.
Thank you.